Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you the TWIN BUSCH tire changer TW X-36 WDK. The X-36 WDK has a pneumatically tiltable mounting arm. The help arm has 2 bead rollers, one of which can be used as a help for extracting tires, and a rim press. The rims are held by the self-centering 4-clamping jaw system. The lateral bead braking cylinder produces a force of up to 3 tons. The interior of the TW X-36 WDK is made of durable and high-quality stainless steel components. The TW X-36 WDK is certified by the WDK, German Rubber Manufacturers Association, and is capable of changing UHP and run flat tires. We will now show you how to remove a run flat tire with the TW X-36 WDK. The first step for the disassembly is letting out all the air from the tire. For that, we completely remove the valve core. The depth with which the bead breaker enters the wheel is set with the pressure limiter. Here we see how the bead breaker pushes the tire bead over the hump. The tire is now loose on the rim. Now the rim will be held on the turntable by the clamping jaws. The rim press can be used in order to easily press wheels with low profile tires into the clamping jaws. The bead roller can now make space for the mounting head. The mounting head can now be aligned precisely and locked. The arm sets the optimal distance for the disassembly automatically. Before the next step, we will use the mounting paste to help the bead to slide easily over the hump. The included bead pressing chain helps us to lower the bead into the rim well. Now the first bead can be levered over the flange and onto the mounting head without high pressure. Remove the pressure from the roller. Rotate the turntable shortly and the upper tire bead is free. With the bead roller, the second bead can be transported over the flange from underneath. A short turn. And done. We will now perform the reversed process, mounting the tire on the rim. The mounting paste is particularly important for mounting tires. If the tire bead is not greased carefully, it will not be able to slide easily over the mounting head and the flange, and into the rim well. To grease the rim, we can now use the double rotation speed of 14 revolutions per minute. Back to the normal speed of 7 revolutions per minute. With a correct placement and a short turn, the first bead is back on the rim. The second bead is slightly more demanding. The first part of the bead can be sunk into the rim well with the 2 bead rollers and the rim press. Both bead rollers and the rim press work always synchronously and can therefore be easily controlled. Take off the pressure and let the last quarter continue without pressure. Done. The beads can now be pushed over the humps of the rim with the integrated tire inflator. Finally, mount the valve core again and fill the tire with the desired pressure. The TW X-36 can be controlled very precisely. The turntable always works clockwise during the assembly and disassembly, but it can be turned in the opposite direction for corrections. The clamping jaws can be moved step by step to be positioned on the rim. The rear bead roller can be used as an extraction aid. This is particularly helpful for rims with extra deep rim wells. The delivery includes a WDK compliant tire mounting iron, an adjustable bead pressing tool, a bead pressing chain, 2 rim edge protectors, 4 plastic protectors for the clamping jaws, and a bag of plastic gliders for the mounting head. Also note our extensive range of accessories and consumables.